Affiliate marketing ventures that will help you get the most out of your venture. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant concept that is quite simple. Business A has a website and hosts an advertisement with a direct link to Business B. Business B does the same thing for Business A on their website. Both businesses benefit. This video can help to expand on the concept to increase traffic to your website. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. Keep track of special offers made by the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. If advertisers on your website are making a limited time offer on the products you are advertising for them, you should know about it. Consider posting special content to emphasize such deals so that you get your piece of the action. Nothing seems to sell a product quite as well as scarcity. When a customer believes he or she only has a few minutes to get the product at the list price before the deal is no longer available, they're over 3 times as likely to act. Use this technique in your affiliate marketing and make sure you instill a sense of urgency in customers. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. Target keywords and reviews that you write for the marquee products you will promote on your site. Create backlinks to the review you have written, and it will increase the search engine ranking. This strategy will target the people who are actually interested in buying things. As already demonstrated, affiliate marketing has great benefits for both businesses. It also helps create a partnership between businesses, where only a competition existed before. This is a wonderfully beneficial partnership for both businesses. By understanding the concepts in this video and implementing them for your business, you can achieve a greater degree of success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.